MGD combines both the hot air dryer and vacuum conveyor into a single platform. It is an easy-to-maintain floor-type equipment. Using a two-tire hopper, stability of temperature is enhanced and contributes to energy saving. A regular cyclone filter of MGD is made up of filter case, separator, and dust box. The structure minimizes the clogging of filter and ensures stability in conveyance of materials. MGD can be opened from both the front and side, making it an easy to clean and maintain equipment. HD